Are you still stuck editing your own videos and it takes hours to edit your content? I would recommend delegating that task, because by delegating the video editing of your content, you will have more time to focus on scaling your business. Now you might be wondering, how can I do so? And most importantly, make the process smooth and easy. I feel you. So to have a smooth system and avoid any headaches, you will need to consider first, detailed video brief. To make sure your editor understands your vision, provide a detailed video brief. Outline the key points, the main message, or any specific requirements or ideas you have in mind. Regular updates. Schedule a regular updates with your editor. This will allow you to provide feedback and ensure that the project is on track. After the editor sends you the first draft, please try to take your time, review it wisely, and write down all the notes you might have. This way you'll save yourself and your editor a ton of time going back and forth with revisions. Collaboration tools. Consider using collaboration tools such as Monday, Asana, or Trello. These platforms will help you keep track of the editing process, assign tasks, and monitor progress. File organization. Maintain a well-organized file structure. Label your files clearly and use consistent naming convention. This will make it easier for you and your editor to find assets quickly. I know it's an extra work to do. Believe me, this will save you a ton of time trying to find that one clip you filmed. Now let's talk about where to upload your raw footage. Well, platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox are ideal options. In our case, if you choose to work with us, we provide a dedicated Dropbox folder. This folder will make it convenient to upload all of your content. It will also serve as the delivery point for all the edited videos. So there you have it. Clear communication along with organized file sharing are the pillars of smooth video editing process. Now you can go ahead and start delegating the editing of your videos. If you have any specific concerns or questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below or reach out to us. We are here to make your video editing experience as seamless as possible.